Sanibonani. Ake sikhulume ngayo igame yayizola Orlando Pirates versus Stellenbosch M28 final beyidlalela uMombela Stadium. I-Orlando Pirates-ke came out as ama-champions once again for the fourth time, making history eSouth Africa, being iqembu selithathe i-M28 4 times in a row with 2 different coaches, kathathu noRivero kanye no-Abdusalam Wadu. History-ke lezi izinto ezinje, izinto ezingajwayelekile, kodwa kuyajabulisa ukuzibona zenzeka eMzansi. Nami-ke ngivumeleni makhelwane ngikhulume ngayo le game because sonke sibalandeli bebhola, even though sisupport amanye amaqembu, kodwa-ke singakhuluma ngebhola. Mhlambe I have just this one comment, not into eyiningi about this guy uMabasa, just this one comment ebengifuna ukuyisho. I questioned ucoach uAbdusalam Wadu maye ngamdlalisi lo mbhemu ngesikhathi efika, because with uMabasa you have one thing that is guaranteed. uMabasa mase grounding, you are going to get a goal, at least 1 or 2. Ngesizini you are going to get at least 15 goals from this guy. So if you take that player who has proven ukuthi he can give you that, umthatha umbeke ngaphandle, and ufake umuntu uthi ngingabasho ngegama because uzobe ngazuthi si-attack bona, kanti sa-attack bona, ile point engifuna ukulisho. Bese ufake abanye abantu onethemba lokuthi ufuna ukuthi benze something. It doesn't make sense, yabo. Rather mfake lo mbhemu uthole lo 15 goals, then build on top of lo 15 goals. uMabasa ukuningana mase grounding, uMabasa sort of gives you a reference point, yabo. Awume kuthi umbhobho ubheke ngakumina, once wafaka uMabasa groundini, iPirates ngithanda ukwenza lesibonelo sokuthi iPirates ima kanje mayinomabasa, kodwa namanye abantu njengamanje abakhona, it's sort of bama kanje phambili. You have a reference point nomabasa, you have a target man, and ngesikhathi kudlalwa la ku-build up, you know for sure ukuthi there is someone esi-build up phela ukuthi siyomnikeza ibhola, yabo. Uthe mengena nje uMabasa, iPirates yaqala manje yaba more direct because you know ukuthi there's a reference point, and-ke it's a coaching point and also a tactical point ukuthi coach sometimes they must check i-profile yabadlali babo ukuthi yini ebanikeza yona. But this guy is very dangerous, isniper. Congratulations makhelwane.